that we believe that some of those senior AAP leaders have actually walked inside the Election Commission office, and some of those protesters have dispersed. That's what we picked up from some of the information coming in. This, of course, is being called the Save Democracy movement by the Aam Aadmi Party. They are demanding that in all future elections, VVPAT equipped electronic voting machines be used. This because they believe that EVMs can be easily tampered with, and that is the reason they allege the BJP has won by a massive margin in many of those assembly elections. Amitoj is back with us on the phone line. Amitoj, we weren't able to really pick up on what you were saying, but we believe that the senior AAP, some of the AAP leaders there have walked into the Election Commission office. Is that right?
That's right, that's right. Just now, they've just entered the gate, Bhairavi. Gopal Rai has walked in, even though he's limping as he always does. He has a problem with his legs. And Alka Lamba is also there. Alka Lamba also stating very clearly that we will be going ahead and talking to the Election Commission. What specifically they are going to say is anyone's guess, because the Election Commission has already issued a statement against what the Aam Aadmi Party did earlier. Remember, when Saurabh Bharadwaj in the Delhi Assembly demonstrated how EVM or one particular EVM, even if it is a prototype, can be tampered. Now, what we also know is that 250 protesters are continuing to protest. Alka Lamba took the loudspeaker from the police and actually announced that please be seated out here. Do not make too much of a ruckus to the Aam Aadmi protesters as we go in and meet the Election Commission. Whether they are listening or not is anybody's guess, because now we're about 50 meters away from that towards the main entrance where there's a huge police presence. But from what I can hear, the protests do continue, even if they're not getting violent. They're not breaking down barriers of the police, and the police is not required to use force just yet. Neither the water cannons have been used. So it's a very soft protest in that sense. It's only slow clearing and gathering of a lot of people. Now, Alka Lamba, Gopal Rai have gone in. Bhairavi, we can expect that they'll be back in about half an hour. I don't expect that the meeting will go on any further. Saurabh Bharadwaj has at the same time tweeted that the greatest proof that EVMs can be
Amitoj,
yes, go ahead.
Yes, Amitoj, I think we will come back to you once we have more clarity on that. Let's listen into what Gopal Rai had to say.
देखिए, आज हम लोग चुनाव आयोग से मिलकर के दो बातें रखने आए हैं। पहली बात तो ये कि इस देश के अंदर चुनाव को लेकर के जो इस देश के लोकतंत्र की आत्मा है उस पर सवाल उठ रहे। दिल्ली विधानसभा के अंदर हमारे इंजीनियर्स ने ईवीएम कैसे हैक की जाती है उसका डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन करके दिखाया। चुनाव आयोग का कहना था जी वो हमारी मशीन नहीं है। आज हम चुनाव आयोग से कहने आए हैं, कल आप ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, आप उसमें हैकाथन की डेट तय करिए और अपनी निगरानी में हमारे इंजीनियर्स को अपनी मशीन दीजिए, उसमें हम मदरबोर्ड चेंज करके कैसे हैक किया जाता है हम चुनाव आयोग को भी दिखाना चाहते हैं। नंबर 2, कल है 14 तारीख की डेट है, हम आज इसलिए आए हैं कि कल वो हैकाथन की डेट तय करें। नंबर 2 बात, आगे जितने चुनाव होते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेशानुसार 2013 का वर्डिक्ट है, सभी चुनावों में वीवीपैट यानी पर्ची वाली मशीन से वोट किया जाए और चुनाव परिणाम 25% बूथ पर पर्चियां की काउंटिंग और मशीन की काउंटिंग दोनों को टैली करने के बाद घोषित किया जाए। ये बात अभी हम चुनाव आयोग से रखे जा रहे हैं। हम इसीलिए करने आए हैं कि इस पर लगातार ढीला रवैया अपनाया गया है। 2000 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश को भी आज तक लागू नहीं किया गया।